Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make Osam Bulgogi. So Hanyul, my nephew and assistant, he thought Osam Bulgogi is something cool name because he never heard about what is Osam before, and it's basically 오징어 and samgyeopsal, which means in Korean is squid and pork belly. And he was like, "That's it? That's what is Osam coming from?" Like, yep, that's it. I'm going to prepare a half pound of squid and half pound of samgyeopsal. But if you wanna make this just 오징어 bulgogi or samgyeopsal bulgogi, you can use just one of each. Like, make sure the protein is 1 pound total. You could use frozen squid that already prepared for this recipe, but I decided to use a fresh one. I mean, it's a previously frozen, but it's a whole squid. I just took it out all the inside of the squid that we do not want to use for the cooking and cut the squid legs individually. And this is up to you. I'm going to peel the squid skin because I just prefer it that way. But you can leave the skin on though, because it doesn't make a huge difference other than just the look. But I like to do it. But if you want to do it, go ahead and use a paper towel because with your just wet hand, it will be very slimy or slicky to peel it off the skin. So make sure you hold a paper towel and then peel it. It will peel very easily. Cut the squid into half lengthwise and slice into 3/4 inch wide. Set the squid aside. Go ahead and add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin seasoned rice wine. If you don't have it, go ahead and use apple juice. 2 tablespoons of maesilaek, Korean green plum extract. You know where you can find. I will put the link down below where you can purchase. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 5 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. If you don't have a Korean red pepper flakes, either mixture of cayenne and red pepper flakes, that actually will work. And we are going to add a lot of garlic because it's Korean recipe and stir-fried like marinade, grated ginger. 3 to 5 Thai chili if you want to make this extra spicy. And half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together with your hand. Yes, you can use a glove if you want to, okay? I'm just trying to reduce the amount of the plastic in my kitchen. I'm trying to do something good for the earth. Then go ahead and toss the onion into the pork belly and the squid with the marinade. Now cover and let it marinate minimum 30 minutes to overnight. Meanwhile, while the pork belly and the squid is marinating, we are going to prep our vegetables. So you will need 2 ounces of zucchini sliced, 1 chili pepper, like either jalapeno or serrano sliced, and you will need 5 to 6 ounces of thinly sliced green onions. So you can definitely do this with knife. I didn't show you guys how to do it because I was lucky enough. Just drive to the H Mart, grab this already prepared green onions. If you have to slice your green onion, just go ahead and slice it thinly, and you don't have to make this a fancy shape, to be honest. Just go ahead and slice really thinly and long as possible, and it will do the job. Lastly, I'm going to blanch my soybean sprouts. If you cannot find this beautiful yellow soybean sprouts, you can use regular bean sprouts as well. When you're ready to serve this, I like to stir fry the pork belly and the squid ahead and serving on the table. So if you are like me, then go ahead and heat a large wok or a skillet over high heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and marinated pork belly and squid. I'm just going to do just one batch because my wok is quite large and my stove is very strong, like my husband. Stir fry Osam Bulgogi until they are fully cooked and nice charred on the edges. And 1 minute before the Osam Bulgogi is done, go ahead and stir in the zucchini, add the chili, and toss everything together. Turn up the heat. And yes, Osam Bulgogi can be eaten as it is right now, to be honest. They are delicious. Some warm cooked rice and some kimchi and other side dishes together. You can definitely serve like that. But I actually had this Osam Bulgogi at one of my favorite restaurant, Korean restaurant in Dallas area, actually Plano area. And I really wanted to recreate that at home. So I'm going to serve how that restaurant does. Pull it out one of a beautiful pan that you have, put it onto the table. Today I'm going to use this rectangle pan from Mommy's Pot, but any pan that you have will work. So go ahead and place the bean sprouts first, then the green onions. Place Osam Bulgogi right on top in the middle. Garnish it with some sesame seeds, little bit of chopped green onions, and it's ready to serve. So serve this on the table with the portable gas stove. That's what I do at the dinner table, and turn on the heat until they like little sizzle, jiggles like that. And then because Osam Bulgogi will already start fried and cooked, you can just go ahead and start eating it. And when the vegetables like kind of little cooked down, go ahead and eat together, mix around. This is what's going on actually. But what you see is this and this. But this is actually what's going on. Delicious?
Very.
The sacrifice we are making for you guys for the beautiful shot.
Such a sacrifice.
You know I'm right, you know I'm right, 맞지? Yeah, yeah. 조급해하지 마. Yeah, yeah. I'm yours anyway. Yeah, yeah. 널 기다려주겠니? 사실 내일로 너를 생각해. 조금 더 나를 위해 기다려.
When Osam Bulgogi is almost done, everybody's saying, oh my gosh, I'm so full. This is the time, bring the fried rice.
두근두근 마음을 이대는 척할게. It's so good. 너를 잊어버리고 있을까? 지게 마음이 보인다면 아직은 닿을 수 없을 뿐. I'm gonna be here. So good. 기분 놓치지 마. 노력해 어떻게 better play the game. 매일 모든 시간을 필요해. 하지만 아직은 망설여.
If you liked my Osam Bulgogi recipe, and if you definitely want to try this on the weekend, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today, and remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung guest, and this is Asian at home, and I will see you next time. Bye guys! Mwah. No worries, after we film, we actually sit down and eat too. Only when they are lucky though. Most of the time we just go and next recipe filming, but